In this video, you will learn how to filter data for session replays. You should already know what are the session replays, how to set them up, and analyze them. In order to make the analysis more effective and easier, it is good to use different filters. When you go to the session replay list of video sessions, you will see a few options for filtering your recordings. First is a date range. You can select the date for which you want to see the recordings and apply your choice. The filter part includes many opportunities to narrow down the recording selection. Traffic channel. This filter can help to understand the users that come from specific channels and evaluate the traffic quality. Use a country. If you have any preferences based on the country, you can filter data by it as well. Returned and new users. This allows for analyzing the behavior of the users who see a website for the first time and users who have already been there. This is an important factor for understanding some user behaviors and finding insights. The browser, here you can select the browser type. Favorite video. When you're watching specific sessions, you can mark them with a star as a favorite. Here you can quickly access all videos that were starred. Operating system. You can select the operating system. Similarly to the browser, those filters are mostly for troubleshooting technical issues. The device type, same or for as for heat maps, it is crucial to analyze desktop and mobile traffic separately, as users behave differently based on the device type. Then we have standard events. They allow for filtering sessions based on the typical events like clicks, scrolls, cursor movements, keyboard inputs, and rage clicks. Among those events, rage clicks are actually quite important to look at, as rage clicks are when users repeatedly click or tap on an element in a website or app, and it indicates the user's frustration. Then we have the user groups here below. As mentioned in the previous videos, user groups should be custom created upfront by adding a piece of code to your website, and you can find more information about setting up the user groups in Settings, User Group. Then on the right side, we have a viewed or not viewed video. This simply allows you to separate the session that have been viewed. And last but not least, custom video events. It allows you to set up some specific events for your website and filter your recordings based on this event. For example, there is a search bar on your website and you want to analyze a session in which users were using the search bar and check what they have been looking for. To do so, you need to firstly set up this event. Navigate to Session Replay, Set up Goals Events. In this window, you need to add the name of the event and the element class or ID. The detailed description on how to find this class or ID and set up the goal is on the right side. You have all of the screenshots and instructions provided. When the event is set up, you will be able to filter your recordings based on it and quickly access the sessions which are the most important for you. Other than this, you have two more options to go with. You can directly search for the sessions on specific pages of the website by pasting here the exact URL or some pieces of the URL to filter your website pages. Or also, you can use a video duration filter. Here, you can select a session of a specific length and a certain time of the day when this session should happen. So there are a lot of opportunities for you to filter the sessions and analyze them for different type of users, channels, etc. Applying the filters will help to structure your analysis and get to the point faster. For more information on how to get the most out of Plerdy and use all of the tools effectively, go to the following videos.